Creating private name servers at NetFirms. This demo assumes you have a domain name registered through NetFirms and starts from their home page. Now let's learn how to create our own custom private name servers. Click the Control Panel link in the upper right of this home page to log into your account. Log in with your username and password. Click the Edit Domains shortcut on the right side. Click the domain name you want to create custom name servers for. Click the DNS option. Under Modify, select Private Name Server. Enter the name server and associated IP address, then click Add. Repeat the process for the second name server. That's it! You've successfully created custom private name servers for your domain name. Please note that it could take up to 24 hours for your new private name servers to propagate and be recognized across the Internet. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to create private name servers at NetFirms.